Hi guys, ArchieLuxury channel. Today guys, unboxing live, and this unboxing we're getting an unboxing, and it's not a watch box, it ain't a watch toy, it is a proper full set box papers wristwatch. So let's just begin this here. So firstly, before we start, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing a Patek Philippe 6006 Calatrava. Okay, and Paul Smith cufflinks. Now let's get this baby underway. Okie dokie. So let's have a look here, guys. Let's get this under wraps. Okay, so here we go. It's coming by FedEx, Federal Express. Da-da-da-da. Okay. Oh, Archie's got a Jaeger-LeCoultre. It's a Jaeger-LeCoultre. Is it a master control? What is it? A master compressor? What is it? What is it? Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Oh, Reverso. Have a look here, guys. Reverso. This is the blue, the luxury. This is the blue box. This is like the Johnny Walker blue, the Glenlivet 18. Nice box. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wowzers! Look at this. What a treat. It's a Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso. This is a Reverso Sun Moon. This is the 8-day Power Reserve Sun Moon. Absolutely beautiful. Let's flip this little baby over. Flip it back again. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that there. That is a movement. That is a movement. 8-day Power Reserve. What an absolute delight. What a delight to have there. Now I'll just have a look at a bit of the back. I got my magnifying glass here. Let's just have a look at this movement here. It's a dual spring barrel, double barrel, 25 joules. This is using an 873 movement, absolutely beautiful. Look at the guilloche on this dial. It's got a sky moon. It's power, 8-day power, 8-day power reserve. It's got the power reserve indicator, hours, minutes, seconds. It's got the day or night indicator and the moon phase. I've always loved moon phase wristwatches. So absolutely winner chicken dinner. Absolutely winner chicken dinner. This is the older box. This is because I think it's a 2008. So they've kind of went to the newer box in the year or so after this. And I gotta tell you, man, this is absolutely, it is a beautiful watch. This is Patek quality at a Rolex price. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at the papers. What paperwork comes with this Jaeger-LeCoultre? So they give you this little dicky folder, and you've got the Reverso. This is the manual in a host of foreign languages. Hopefully English is in there. You've then got the timepiece registration card. This is like to join the archives. And then the guarantee certificate itself. It's nowhere near as impressive as the Patek, but there you go. You've got this is the papers. This is it. This is the papers. So what do I think? I think it's absolutely, positively absolutely beautiful. It is a very, very beautiful watch. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely delightful. I think it's a winner chicken dinner. Winner chicken dinner. So this is an interesting piece from Jaeger-LeCoultre. Rumor has it that on these 8-day power reserve pieces, Jaeger-LeCoultre lost money on them. And I gotta say, it's a very, very unique watch. I'm just gonna compare it to my personal Jaeger-LeCoultre, my Reverso Grande Date. So these are kind of very, very similar type watches. Which one's better? I think they are both amazing. There we go. I had them one of them upside down. Both absolutely winner chicken dinner. Absolutely beautiful. Which one do I like both of them. I think they're both amazing. They are absolutely amazing. They are very, very beautiful indeed. So there you go. Winner chicken dinner. Jaeger-LeCoultres. Yeah, what do I think? Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Same, I believe they're the same size case. So this is a Reverso Grande. The Grande is the bigger size. The original Jaeger-LeCoultre Reversos that's now called the classic size. And I gotta be honest with you, the Pateks themselves there, when Patek came out in the 30s, they were 30 mils. 30 or 31 mils. Too small. Nowadays, the original classic size is really a bit too small. I think you've got to go for the grand size. I would really say the grand size itself is the size that a modern man would wear. So I got to tell you, this is an absolute delight, an absolute cracker of a watch, an absolute crackerjack of a watch. And I gotta tell you, man, it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, this has been a live unboxing on the ArchieLuxury channel. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. And guys, I got some good news. This Jaeger-LeCoultre Sun Moon is going to be sold on the channel. That's correct. It's God. Someone sent it to me. They've asked me as a personal favor. I owe them a favor. And they've asked me to sell it. I'll make a separate video. I'm ArchieLuxury. Tell me what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends.